Florida boy is. Talk to me, Hollywood.
Man, I'm just happy to be here, man. Thanking God. I'm ready to go.
Man, I can see the tears in your eyes. What does this moment mean to you?
Man, it means so much. I can't even express the words, man. I'm just thanking God.
You talked to AB. What advice did he give you?
Told me just enjoy this moment. You know, I put myself in a position to be here, and it ain't over yet. I'm ready to get to work.
Some people may point out the size that you are, but I got a funny feeling the size of your heart is more than the size that you're putting on the scale.
Yeah, for sure. You know, I'm gonna show everybody. They're gonna see. They're gonna see.
I love it, man. I love it. God bless you, man.
Thank you.
Back to you, Steve. Hollywood.
Well, I think